First on our list are the legendary Norwegian fjords, world-renowned for their awe-inspiring beauty. The Geirangerfjord, Nærøyfjord and Sognefjord are among the favorites, offering a plethora of activities from boat tours to hiking. Next, we have Bergen, a delightful coastal city known for its vibrant wooden houses, historic Hanseatic wharf, and a lively cultural scene. A must-visit is the fish market, Bergenhus Fortress, and the Fløibanen funicular for a panoramic view of the city. Oslo, the capital, elegantly combines modernity with history. Be sure to explore the Viking Ship Museum, Vigeland Sculpture Park, and the Oslo Opera House. And don't forget to wander along the waterfront or delve into the trendy neighborhoods like Grünerløkka. Venture further into the Arctic Circle, and you'll find Tromsø, a city that offers a unique chance to witness the northern lights and the midnight sun. Other attractions include the Arctic Cathedral, Polar Museum, and a cable car ride up Mount Storsteinen. For a taste of dramatic scenery, the Lofoten Islands won't disappoint. With towering mountains, quaint fishing villages, and untouched beaches, the islands are a paradise for hiking, fishing, kayaking, and wildlife enthusiasts. Trondheim, with its medieval architecture and thriving student population, is a city like no other. The Nidaros Cathedral, colourful warehouses along the riverfront, and the Trondheim Science Centre are must-see spots. A road trip along the Norwegian scenic routes is an experience in itself. The Atlantic Ocean Road, Trollstigen, and the Lofoten National Tourist Route offer views that are nothing short of spectacular. Journey to Norway's northernmost tip, the Northern Cape, and witness rugged coastlines, dramatic cliffs, and the North Cape Plateau, a perfect spot to experience the midnight sun in summer. Outdoor enthusiasts will find their paradise in Jotunheimen National Park, known for its glaciers, high mountain peaks, and hiking trails, including the famous Bergen Ridge hike. Lastly, in Bergen lies Bryggen, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a testament to the city's medieval trading importance. Its iconic wooden buildings are a sight to behold. In a nutshell, Norway is a treasure trove of outdoor adventures, cultural experiences, and breathtaking scenery. It's a land that effortlessly blends natural beauty with rich heritage, making it an irresistible destination for travelers worldwide.